Hello everyone. Today's topic is measures of central tendency. Now, what do you mean by measures of central tendency or statistical averages? It is a technique of statistical analysis by which a single value represents the whole data. Such value is called average or central value. Central value क्या है? It is a value that measures the central location of the observation, or we can say it is a single value which represents the entire mass of data. Suppose there are 5 students in a group and let's talk about their weight. हम उनके weight को record करते हैं. The first student का जो weight आता है that is 60 kg, then 58 kg, 59 kg, 62 kg and 61 kg. और अगर ये मैं कहूँ कि इनका ग्रुप का एवरेज वेट 60 kg है, then what do you mean by average weight here? Average weight 60 kg means कि जितने भी स्टूडेंट इस ग्रुप में मौजूद है, प्रेजेंट है, उनका वेट 60 kg है या इसके आसपास है. इट मीन 60 kg क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? दैट इज द सेंट्रल वैल्यू और एवरेज. तो मेजर्स ऑफ सेंट्रल टेंडेंसी में एवरेज का मीनिंग क्या हुआ? एक ऐसी वैल्यू, एक ऐसी सेंट्रल वैल्यू जो पूरे डेटा को रिप्रेजेंट कर रही है. इट मीन्स सेंट्रल वैल्यू एक ऐसी वैल्यू है that represent the whole mass of data, or it is a value around which individual values cluster. It is a value that lies within the range of data. See, इस पूरे ग्रुप में जो हमारा मिनिमम वेट है that is 58 kg और मैक्सिमम वेट 62 kg और एवरेज वेट है that is 60 kg. इट मीन्स जो 60 kg एवरेज वेट है that lies within these limits. तो जो एवरेज होता है that is a value that lies within the range of data. Now, measures of central tendency. There are different types of statistical averages, जिसको हम दो पार्ट में डिस्कस करेंगे, mathematical averages and positional averages. In mathematical averages, we will learn arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. And in positional averages, we will discuss median and mode. Now, first one is, that is arithmetic mean. Now, what do you mean by arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean or the average is a quantity obtained by dividing the sum of values of the items in a series by their number. Mean equals to sum of all the observation divided by number of observation. जो भी आपका ग्रुप है उसमें जितनी भी इंफॉर्मेशन दी है उसको हम सम अप कर लेते हैं. That is called the sum of all the observation and divided by the number of items present in that group. Then we will get the mean. There are two kinds of arithmetic mean, that is simple arithmetic mean and weighted arithmetic mean. And in this video, we are going to discuss simple arithmetic mean in different statistical series. There are different statistical series, that is individual series, discrete series and continuous series. Now, first we will discuss arithmetic mean in individual series. So, what do you mean by individual series? It is the one in which the items are listed separately and each item appears as an individual unit. जब हम जो भी हमें information given है उसको हम separately means individually present करते हैं, then that series is called the individual series. For example, marks of 10 students. अगर आपको marks 10 students के marks record करने हैं तो you will record marks of each and every student separately. Then that series is called the individual series. Now, how we will calculate the arithmetic mean in individual series? There are two methods, direct method and shortcut method. So first we will calculate arithmetic mean by direct method. See, calculate the average marks of 10 students. आपको 10 students के marks given है और उसको हम x से represent करते हैं. And the first step to calculate the arithmetic mean is to sum up all the values. Means first step to calculate the sum of all the observation in a series. और उसको हम denote करते हैं sigma x. Sigma means summation x, x का total. Second step होता है total number of items, that is n. So first we will calculate sigma x, that is equal to 140. जितनी भी values दे रखी है उसको आप total कर लीजिए, you will get 140. So total equals to summation x equals to 140. Now second step, total number of items, that is equals to 10, आपको 10 स्टूडेंट्स के मार्क्स गिवन है, तो n क्या है, नंबर ऑफ आइटम्स इक्वल्स टू 10. नाउ अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला. See, mean equals to sum of all the observation divided by number of observation. Sum of all the observation means sigma x and number of observation means n. तो फॉर्मूला क्या हो गया, mean equals to sigma x divided by n. Now sigma x equals to mean equals to sigma x. Sigma x equals to 140 divided by n, that is 10, equals to 40. So you will get 14 as mean. Clear? Now the same question we will calculate with the help of shortcut method, or you can say the assume mean method. See, in this method the first step is to select a value from the given data as assume mean. सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे कि आपको जो भी वैल्यूज गिवन है उसमें से एक वैल्यू आपको क्या करनी है, सिलेक्ट करनी है. Now you have to select a value from a given observation and here a equals to 15. हम तो आपने assume mean a equals to 15. Now the second step, आपका second step क्या है, that is the second step, obtain deviation dx of item from assume mean, that is dx equals to x minus a. तो see, x minus a के लिए आप second column draw करिए, x minus a equals to 15 and you have to subtract 15 from each value. See, 10 minus 15 equals to minus 5, then 10 minus 15 minus 5, 12 minus 15 minus 3, then 14 minus 15 minus 1, then 15 minus 15 0, then 16 minus 15 1 and 18 minus 15 3. Now next step, find the sum of all the deviation as sigma dx and you will get minus 10. Negative values को आप total कर लीजिए, minus 15 and plus 5 equals to minus 10. तो आपका total कितना आ गया, that is minus 10. So sigma dx equals to minus 10. Number of observation, that is 10. Now apply the formula. शॉर्टकट मेथड में जो हम फॉर्मूला यूज करते हैं, दैट इज मीन इक्वल्स टू a प्लस सिग्मा dx डिवाइडेड बाय n and here a equals to 15 and sum of deviation equals to minus 10 and divided by n equals to number of items 10 equals to 15 minus 1 and equals to 40. So you will get 14 as mean. तो डायरेक्ट मेथड में, शॉर्टकट मेथड में, दोनों में आंसर सेम आता है. नाउ कई स्टूडेंट्स को ये डाउट होता है कि हमने एज्यूम मीन 15 लिया है, अगर हम 10 लेंगे तो आंसर डिफरेंट हो जाएगा. नहीं, यू विल गेट द सेम आंसर. सी, द सेम क्वेश्चन वी विल डिस्कस विद डिफरेंट एज्यूम मीन. तो हियर वी विल टेक 10 एज एज्यूम मीन. हम इसमें 10 को एज्यूम मीन मानते हैं. The next step to obtain the deviation, that is x minus a. It means x में से आपको क्या माइनस करना है, 10 माइनस करना है. We will get the deviation here. Next step to find the total, that is summation dx, that is equals to 40. तो आपका total you will get 40. So total equals to 40. Then number of observation, that is 10, and then apply the formula. So mean equals to a 10 plus summation dx, you will get 10 divided by 40 and then divided by 10 equals to 10 plus 4 equals to 14. So mean equals to 14. So see, whatever value we take as assume mean, answer will be same. तो हमने दो फॉर्मुलेस डिस्कस किए. अर्थमेटिक मीन बाय डायरेक्ट मेथड, mean equals to sigma x upon n, and if we will calculate arithmetic mean by shortcut method, then the formula will be a plus sigma dx divided by n. In the next video we will discuss arithmetic mean in discrete and continuous series. Thank you.